ازاي اقول لحد كده النهارده لو هو تعبان؟ عايز اقول له انا بتمنى لك تكون بخير. نقول كده I hope you feel better. I hope you feel better.
I hope you feel better, Nate. She lied.
I'll be outside. Hope you feel better.
Hope you feel better.
Hope you feel better.
Hope you feel better. Okay.
Hope you feel better.
I feel fine.
Hope you feel better, Mr. C. Thank you.
No. Hope you're feeling better.
Hope you feel better, Clark, okay? Hope you feel better, Clark.
I hope you feel better. Okay.
I hope you feel better, Santa.
Hey, hope you feel better soon.
I hope you feel better soon. Oh, God, I hope you feel better. Okay, bye.
عايز اعلى بالمستوى، ممكن اقول كده get well soon. Get well soon.
Get well soon. Get well soon.
Get well soon.
Get well soon!
Does it say get well soon?
لو عايز اعلى بالمستوى اكتر نقول كده I wish you a speedy recovery. I wish you a speedy recovery.
They wanted to wish you a speedy recovery.
Wish me a speedy recovery.
To come by to wish Granny a speedy recovery.
I respect for her and wish her a speedy recovery.
ولو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش اللايك والكومنت، واشوفكم ان شاء الله في فيديو جديد. مع السلامة.